Nice and soft flowy fabric. Cutout lining and fusible for body and gusset. I added an inner pocket too. Don't forget zipper. Join the sides of the inner pocket. Iron flat. Find midpoint of body lining and align the pocket, pin, then stitch together. Join the zipper to the outer body. And stitch. Lovely. Join the lining to the zipper same side as the body. Join it together. Do the same to the other side. And stitch. Top stitch at the zipper edge. Looks good already. Now attach the gusset to the inner lining. Do this on both sides. Don't forget to leave a space so you can turn the bag inside out later. Top stitch the gusset with the interfacing. Mark out the midpoint on both gusset and main body of the bag. Now join them together. Join the other side too. Trim the curvy part. Trim any excesses and turn it inside out. Now for the strap. Top stitch the interfacing to the fabric for the strap. Top stitch. Fix the strap into the side. Pull it out through the space. And stitch it together from the inside. Same with the other side. Top stitch the open space within the lining.